I want to share a conversation that I overheard the other day. I'm sharing this because I think there's a lesson in it, and I hope that people that are watching this, especially in the entertainment industry, take from it and learn from it. And I was at a conference this week, Behind the Music, hosted by Vice and the homies from DJ City, and I overheard a conversation by two DJs that were next to me, and it went like this. Yo man, whatever, they're talking about their jobs, where they work, their cities, they happen to be from the same area. And he's like, oh, this is what you do? And he's like, no, this is what I do on weekends. I have a real job during the day. Now, I honestly took some offense to that because I work incredibly hard at my business 7 days a week. There's no off button. And I think any successful entertainment professional, whether you're a club DJ, a radio DJ, you work in the nightlife world, you're crushing the bar scene or the day life scene, whatever, anyone that's really crushing in this space takes it on fully, meaning they really care about the craft, but they put a lot into the craft. And I kind of felt like that was very short-sighted. It was very short-minded. And that's some of the reasons that our industry has so much difficulty being almost legitimate in the eyes of so many other industries and so many other professionals. You know, if you treat this as a side hustle, it's always going to be a side hustle. But if you treat it as a professional, you treat it as a profession, you treat it as a legitimate way to live your life, then it will be that. And the more people that open their eyes to the opportunities that are in front of them, the better off we will all be. So I guess the message here to any and all DJs that are watching this video, take this stuff seriously. And if it is your side hustle, it's totally cool. But don't say it's not a real job because, you know, I've got 50, 60, 70 employees that work for my business, and I've got a universe of people around me, and that's not a real job? No, it's a real job. I've always treated it like a real job, even when it was just me doing it. I believe that this had potential and there was an opportunity for me to do something that I actually enjoyed, I love doing, and that I could help people with. And in this instance, this day, it is so much more than just playing music for 4 hours on the weekend, even if that's the time that I'm performing. There are bookkeepers, there is accounting, there are staff members, there are HR issues, there is sales, there is marketing, there is so much more than just pressing play, scratching some records, and letting things ride when I'm performing in front of people, whether it be a private event or a nightlife event or whatever event. And that's really the message. Treat it like a profession and it will be a profession. And I hope that resonates with some of you watching this. Anyway, there's a lot behind this entertainment industry. Don't sell it or yourself short. And I hope you enjoyed that. If you feel what I'm saying, you get behind it, please leave some love in the comments down below. Smash the heart or the thumbs up button down below and be on the lookout to support me with some future video love right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thank you so much for watching.